Hi app developers, this is Mrs. Kamenar. I'm going to take you through how to start working with Swift Playgrounds. The very first thing that you're going to need to do is to go into self-service. And within self-service, you are going to look for Swift Playgrounds. And you can either scan through the entire list, or I'm going to search for it, and then I would tap on install. Mine's already installed, so mine says reinstall, but you would go ahead and install that. Once you are set with Swift Playgrounds, you are going to open it up, and there's an introduction piece where you can tap through with the arrow and read through the quick little introduction. But what we're going to focus in on today is the commands section. All right. So our goal is to get our guy called Byte to move towards the gem and collect it. If you tap in the bottom screen, you'll notice that, so we're looking for the gem in the puzzle world. The correct combination is going to involve the commands move forward and collect gem commands. And if I tap on that bottom section, I'll notice at the bottom of my screen I have my commands pop up. So I can either type them in by hand or just tap to select them. So if I tap on move forward and then tap on run my code in the right screen, I notice that my Byte guy moves forward one step, but I didn't get to the gem. So I might choose to move forward. Looks like maybe I'm going to move forward 3 times. And then at the end, I want to grab that gem. So let's see if that's going to get us there. So back to the beginning, 1, 2, 3 steps forward, and then collect the gem, and I have passed that level. Our goal is to go through all of the commands section of this app. I will see you in class. Good luck.